Are we going?
Is that normal? How do you go back to normal?
Ew. That's when we ooh. Feeling good. We can make our, like, we're conjoined twins. We can have our own TLC show.
Your eye looks so nasty. You're so ugly.
Let me do that thing on your leg. Hold on, I'm gonna go to your leg again. Steph, tell us if you can see her leg hair.
Recording?
It's recording.
How long has it been?
A minute and 2 seconds.
Scoot it back.
Well, don't do the back of your leg.
Well, it's hard to twist my leg that way.
How do you go to normal?
Steph,
Oh, look at these things you
we
can do.
just wanted to let you know that we value your friendship.
Whoa, we can like zoom. How do we zoom on like? We don't want. Is it on normal right now?
Yeah,
How do we get those?
it
back?
is.
How do you get? Oh, yes.
You think she'll notice that I winked at her?
Ooh, I like that one.
Hey, little girl.
Ooh.
We can have our own TLC show.
The life of an ugly person.
So nasty.
Like, pop out your cheek. It looks ridiculous.
Chinese. Every time I get closer to you. Hey, Amanda. Dear Stephanie. I look like Devin Hopkins.
Avatar.
Ooh.
What is she doing? She's possessed. Oh my gosh. What is that about?
I think it's detecting my movement. See?
I went away. The dots went away. Maybe I'm distracting it. Yeah.
No.
Stick out your tongue and see if it does it.
It's just head movement.
This is where the dots are.
Mm-hmm.
Great. Your room filter. Whoa.
We can have our own TLC show. Look at my chin. That's so nasty.
Ooh. Look at my thumb.
It's like a little maggot.
Ew. It's like a snake. Are you watching this? Try it. It's so gross.
Thumbs up, guys.
Let's thumb wrestle. Go this way.
What do you mean?
Do this hand.
You
Oh, I forgot.
What do you mean? 1, 2, 3, 4. I declare a thumb war. 5, 6, 7, 8. Try and keep your thumb straight. Straight, Amanda.
I almost had you.
What is this? Look at New Moon in the background, even her walls.
Taylor always looks hot though. Like, how can we make him ugly? You can't do it. That's kind of normal.
Kinda. That's my favorite.
How do we change our voices so I can hear what my voice sounds like when we're doing it?
What does that mean? What does your voice sound when we're doing
look
it?
at my forehead.
That's gross.
I want this to be on YouTube.
You're ugly.
What do you mean? What? What? Go way up to the camera.
I think I have Down syndrome. Oh, that's so nasty.
I want to save this. I'm crying right now. I want to save this video forever. I'm putting it on YouTube right now before we go to sleep.
No, because I said,
Who's gonna find this
let's do
video?
a redo. Let's do a redo.
This thing's been going for. Stop it.